Hey sissies! So I did a poll on my Instagram last week asking if you all wanted to see a full breakdown of how I made my crochet wig. I previously made one using Janet Collection's Afro Twisted Braiding Hair in the color 1B. You all needed a little extra help because you know the Instagram video was only a minute. And most of y'all, and y'all know why, y'all ain't slick. Y'all ain't slick. But most of y'all wanted to see an in-depth tutorial. So here it is. But before we get started, whatever you're battling with right now, whatever you're thinking about at the moment, let your brain rest and just have a good time with me while we figure this whole thing out. And even if you know the bank account's not looking too good right now, you can still look cute on a budget, sis. So we're gonna take a moment to just say cheese. So today we're going to be using the Janet Collection Kinky Crush texture in the color 1B30. The hair comes in 2 bundles. Here's the texture. It also comes pre-cut, which I love. You're going to need a crochet needle and a net wig cap. You can get both from the beauty supply store actually. Don't mind my mannequin head. She's missing some teeth. We had a little incident while we were filming this video, but we moved right. Okay, so here you see me looping the hair through the net. There's really no particular method. You can kind of take bigger chunks of the net. That way you can get through the cap easier. Just also be mindful to handle the cap lightly because it is fragile and it could tear easily, and you don't want that to happen. So here we're at the top of the wig. I had to open the second pack, which I did not use the full pack. I just used 1 bundle out of that. So in total, the hair took about a pack and a half. As you're getting to the top, you can actually try on the unit to see how it's fitting your head in comparison to the mannequin head, because of course my head is much bigger. But I did that after, at the end, when I tried the final look on. So it's all up to you. So our unit is done and we're going to try it on and see how it came out. Like, look how big this thing is compared to my head. It's huge. And one thing I love about crochet wigs is you don't have to go through the hassle of cornrowing your hair down, because you don't have to have a flat foundation. Okay, what I usually do is I just slap a dome cap on my head. I don't know about y'all, but I hate braiding cornrows. I actually haven't figured out my natural hair yet, so in the meantime we just be rocking with the units. So let's try this on, see how it looks. What? I got stuff stuck in here, like, baby. And I know some of y'all will actually rock it like this. That's the crazy part. Like, where's my head? Where's my face? Imagine me walking into an African church with my head.
What is wrong with you? Are you normal?
So yeah, we're definitely gonna use these scissors. Actually, let me know what y'all think. Would y'all wear it like this, or would y'all, you know, cut it a little bit? It's kind of cute, but it's really big. So here are the handy dandy scissors. I don't have like a really special way I cut. I just grab sections of the hair, I guess subsections of the hair, and cut like so. I should actually have like a towel or something on my neck because I'm about to get real itchy. And do y'all see the ends I was talking about earlier? These straight ends, since the hair came pre-cut, we'll go ahead and cut these as well. You could actually wear this hair as a side part, but as you can see, I didn't make it that way. So what we will do just for tutorial purposes is we'll put some hair in the middle here. Well, not the middle, the side here, to just make it look a little full. That way we can have like a versatile look. I actually like this color, guys. I thought it was gonna clash on my skin, but I'm loving it. Okay. Let's cut and stop playing. It's giving me Tina Turner. Definitely giving me Tina Turner. Actually, no. It's giving me like Chaka Khan. Through the fire. Yeah, it's definitely giving me. It's definitely giving me Chaka Khan. Let me know. Is it giving you Tina Turner vibes or Chaka Khan vibes? But okay. Stop getting distracted, y'all. Back to it. We got cut. And there's also a spot at the top here we're going to have to put a little more hair. I'm going to bring the other half of the bundle that we did not use yet, and I'll show you kind of how to do it on your head, or you could put it on the mannequin, but right now I don't feel like doing all that. Brought y'all a little closer now so we can take a full look at everything. But what y'all thinking? I'm loving it, and I actually thought this color was going to clash. It may not look the best right now, but I definitely have some outfit ideas that'll really go perfect with this. So yeah, that's it, sissies. I appreciate you all staying through with me. I hope this was helpful. This is how I achieve my crochet wig look. This look is very quick, very easy, and it is very manageable, and it's super affordable. I want to thank Janet Hair Collection for providing this hair to me. I believe it retails at $5.99, between $4.99 and $6.99 for sure. I know it's definitely not more than $7. Go ahead, go out, purchase you a pack or two, because you do not need 3 packs for this look. As you can see, 1.5 packs did all of that. So you definitely don't need 3, sis. And if you do, yeah, that's on you. I'm not judging you, but that's a lot. So I think I also found it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'll try to find some online retailers that do provide it, being that we're all stuck in the house now. And that's that. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much, sissies, for tuning in. I truly do consider you all family. I genuinely appreciate, value. I can't even find the words. I'm not even being dramatic. I truly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Y'all go hard for your girl. Like, who am I? But I do thank God for your lives, because without you, I wouldn't even be making this video right now, because it's because of y'all. It's because of y'all. I thank God for using you all to push and motivate me. So God bless you guys. Continue to be the best versions of yourselves. Continue to smile and leave all of that gunk out. Happy yourself, enjoy life, read your Bible, pray, and leave it to God. Whatever it is, just leave it to God. So again, love you all so much. Stay tuned for the next video, I guess. And follow me on Instagram, Adwoa Dime. DM me if you have any questions. DM me your looks. Tag me in your pictures. I don't bite. I love communicating with you all. Talk to me, sis. Hit me up. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.